Hello guys! Good evening and welcome back to my channel. Hi! How are ya? Lakas maka-freestar, no? So for today's video, we are going to unbox another product that we have ordered online. So I'm so excited since I really love makeup. So this is one of my favorites from Anne Clutz. So as you can see, it just came from the mail, and this is her line of brushes. Alright, so if you want to know what are the brushes of Anne Clutz, so keep on watching, guys. So let's go ahead and open it. Sira ko na naman. Let's open it, guys. Wait. Aray. So, sa Shopee ko siya binili. And, I think there are 2 sets of brushes na nakapangalan or brand ni Anne Clutz. I think high-end yung isa, then yung isa is for basic and for beginners. So, I think ang for beginners ang na-order ko. Here it is. Alright, let me just open. Naka-bubble wrap siya. Kasi yung mga fans dyan ni Miss Anne Clutz. So, alam niyo yung feeling na magbubukas ng brushes niya. Wait. So, we're gonna give a first impression. Ooh. Ayan. May tsura ni Miss Anne. You have Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Let's see. So it comes with a brushet bag. Oh. Blend now, aura later. Oh my gosh! Nandito na sila. Okay. Ayan. Can you see? Ang ganda. Ayan, may mga pangalan ni Anne Clutz. I don't know if you can see it. Oh no. You can't. Sige, isa-isahin natin per brush. So, ayan yung bag niya para at least kung nagta-travel kayo, pwede nyo rin siyang madala para makapag-makeup din. Alright, so we have 10 brushes in all. Then, let's do this one by one. So this one, so the biggest one is the blush brush. So, in fairness, malambot naman yung bristles niya. So, it seems very elegant. As you can see sa look niya. So, it has a bronzy color and white here with the name. So, this is the blush brush. Wait. So, it comes in 10 different brushes. So that's the first one, the blush brush. Then this one is the powder brush. So it has the same texture. So this is an angle brush, the third one. I think this is being used for contouring. Contouring your face. Keeps on closing. Wait. Alright, so the fourth one here is the flat angled kabuki brush. Ayan. So, pwede rin sa pagbe-bake. Ayan. So far, my first impression is really good because all of the bristles are really soft. Amoy pintura nga lang. I don't know why. Baka sa glue nung yung mga brushes sa handle niya. Alright, so that's the first 4. Let's see. So this one is a fun brush. So para kasi siyang So this is sometimes being used for your highlighter. So sa mga glittery portion ng face mo. So para ma-highlight siya, you can use this on highlighters. Alright. Next is, this is for the blending. When you use eyeshadow on your eyes, so for you to have an accurate blending with your eyeshadow, so this is the brush that you will use. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go to the 7th. So this is a small eyeshadow shader. So pag nag-eyeshadow kasi, meron kang different processes. So una, you need to divide this into 3. Then meron kang pang shadow, depende kung anong klaseng eyeshadow ang ginagawa mo. So for smoky eyes, for just a simple glam. So these are the brushes that you need to use. Then going to the next one is concealer brush. So you need to have a flat brush for your concealer so that it could really penetrate the area na gusto mong lagyan ng concealer. So putting up concealer can be under your eyes, here, then here. In fairness, ang gaganda ng mga brushes. Wala pa naman ako reklamo. Okay. Going to the next one. Alam nyo na kung para saan yan. So this one is for small angled brush. So sometimes, if you want to have a bigger and fuller eyes when you do your eyeshadow, this is being used here under your eyeliners. So you can use it for your eyeliners, or you can also use it to highlight your smoky eye, or even the glam that you are actually creating when you do your makeup. Yan, dyan yan. So going to the last one is, so parang similar tong tatlo. Wait, here. Ayan. So you have big blending brush, you have small eyeshadow shader, and eyeshadow shader brush. Parang pare-parehas lang naman, di ba? Kaya nga lang, may designated areas talaga tong mga brushes na to. So if you're highlighting your eyeshadow here, so this is the big one. Then if you want to have the smaller one so that you can blend, so this is the one. And then this is for the depending if you want to go way up here, then the concealer brush. Ayan. So these are basically the 10 brushes under Anne Clutz. So Miss Anne, I'm really impressed with the brushes that you have. All of the bristles are really soft. So I believe when you apply makeup using these brushes, it's gonna be awesome. But I'm just gonna do a full face makeup for several brands para at least magamit natin yung mga brushes ninyo. Okay, so basically that's all for this video. That's my first impression for the Anne Clutz brushes. And thank you, it has a small bag so that we can bring this when we travel around. Okay, going back, let's just review all the brushes. So this is the powder brush. This is the blush brush. This is the flat angled brush. This is the small angled brush. So this is the fun brush. Then these are the brushes for your eyeshadows. This is for eyeliner, and this is for your concealer. So this stand, if you want to have a full face makeup, so it's really come in handy and it's really helpful. So I'm really excited to use these brushes when I do the makeup tutorials, hopefully. So soon, abangan nyo guys for my next vlogs. So if you like this video, please give this a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have suggestions, comments about Anne Clutz brushes. And then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. So if you want a shout out, comment lang kayo dyan para sa next vlog natin ma-shout out yung YouTube channels ninyo. So I'm really excited to use all of these brushes for our next video. So hopefully guys, you have enjoyed this one. And I see you on the next one. Bye guys!